It's been a busy couple of weeks for me with a family visit and then a short bout of illness, but I've been making some progress in the background, so forgive the lack of videos. In the meantime, here is a extended long play of all the stuff that I've done on walkies so far. As you can see, I've got 2 mini games ready to go and I'm cracking away on the third. I don't know when the next video will come out or what it'll be on because I'm starting a new job next week, but we will keep persevering. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I promise we'll be back soon with more videos.